Martin Steller here. I help nice people sell more. Yesterday I told you about cleaning up your database, your CRM or your list of potential customers, your prospects, so that you remove the pseudo-opportunities and focus only on the right ones, the people who actually are a good candidate, a good prospect, a qualified prospect. Now, how do you do that? What we all want to tell ourselves that because of this, that is a yes. But then you build yourself a whole story, a whole concept about something, somebody, a company, a job that you can do with them because of this reason, because of that reason, because of that reason. And so you paint a false picture. What you do instead is you start with no. So what I do, I have a little handy list actually of things that I don't want to have in my life. So that's people who don't show up for meetings, for example. People who haggle. People who are always asking for more, scope creep. These are the disqualifiers. When I see that happen, then I know that this is not going to work out. Nothing wrong with that person, nothing against that person, but it's just not going to work between us when we start working together. So by having this no list with the things that you would really like to avoid, that you do not want in your life, that are a clear hell no for you, you have a filter. And you can apply that filter anytime that somebody shows up in your world. And when something happens that this person does this thing, doesn't show up, keeps asking for more, complains, just wants to vent, somebody who, especially for coaches, somebody who's always saying, yes, but, well, that's a hard no for me. I'm looking for people who say, okay, how? So by having this list of things that you don't want, you have a filter. You should build yourself a no list and start making it a habit to filter out the things, the people, the situations, the conversations, all the things that really don't belong in your life. And that's how you clean up your database. All right? Sign up for a short daily email if you want at martinsteller.com, and I'll see you tomorrow.